prototype built for an economic time style workflow. The goal is to help a user move from raw news signals to faster decision using one interface. Instead of only reading headlines, the user can chat with the news, generate a personalized briefing, and even discover related stories from an image or a video clue. On the front end, we have Next.js dashboard designed like a newsroom decision panel. On the back end, we have a Flask API that powers topic selection, chat responses, personalized digest, and media-based discovery. The system is connected live, so the front end is successfully talking to the back end through a local proxy route. That means the user experience is smooth from the browser side and does not depend on direct browser calls to the backend. The first thing to show is the hero section and the live setup panel. Here we can explain that the app tracks the active model state, available coverage, the selected reader persona, and the last update time. This gives the user confidence about whether the system is running in live model mode or local mock mode. Right now, when the provider is reachable, it shows Grok as live. If the provider fails, the app safely falls back instead of crashing. That fallback behavior is important in a newsroom or demo setting because reliability matters as much as intelligence. Next, I would show the control rail on the left. This is where the user chooses a reader persona such as investor, student, journalist, or general reader and then selects the topics they care about. The point is personalization. The same news environment can be interpreted differently depending on who is asking. An investor wants market asking. Uh, An investor wants market signals, a student wants context, and a journalist may want broader story framing. We also provide suggested prompts and top headlines so the interface is immediately usable without needing the user to invent a query. Then I would open to the chat tab. This lets the user ask a natural language question like, what are the biggest signals for Indian markets this week? The system ranks the most relevant internal news items, sends grounded context into the model, and then returns a concise answer with citations. That citation backed workflow is important because it avoids the black box feeling of generic chatbots. The user can see not only the answer but also which news item it supported it. After that, I would open the briefing tab. This is the personalized digest feature. Based on the selected persona and topics, the system builds a compact feed of relevant stories and generates a trend line summarizing the major pattern. This is useful for someone who wants a fast morning briefing without reading everything manually. It turns a broad set of business news into focused update that matches the user's current objective. Finally, I would show the Discover tab. This is the multi-modal part of the product. The user can upload an image or short video or simply type a visual description. The system infers business relevant entities from that visual input and maps them to related news coverage. For example, if the image suggests cargo ships and oil tanks, the app can connect that to logistics, energy, and geopolitical disruption stories. This turns visual signals into news discovery, which is a strong differentiator from a standard text only assistant. To close, I'd say the value of this prototype is that it combines three things in one flow: grounded Q&A, personalized briefing, and multimodal discovery. It is not just a chatbot, it is a decision support layer for business news designed to be reliable, explainable, and useful for different reader types.